We are back at the Bluebell Woodland that we came to a few weeks ago when there were no bluebells, and we've just got here and I think we're probably just a bit too late. The bluebells are starting to die off. So all behind me is bluebells, but you can't really see them because they're half dead. You can never get it right. Right, this way. Sophie's busy eating grass as usual. It's nice and quiet though, and it's sunny. It's very hot actually. It's meant to be raining all day today. We've come out a little bit later than we normally would, but not as late as we did last time because that was creepy. There are quite a few weird noises again. Lots of birds doing weird stuff in the woods. So there are actually some bluebells right behind me, but the fern have grown so tall you can't even see them. It's like the whole place is just covered in fern now. I also keep getting attacked by flies, like horseflies or something. I feel like they keep biting my arms and buzzing in my face, my ears. It's really annoying. I don't know what's brought them out. It was pouring earlier, but now the sun's come out. So last time we went up this little hill, and there's a path down this way. So I'm wondering whether we change up a bit. Since there are no bluebells to take photos of, Sophie, let's go this way. She remembers where she's going. It's a bit annoying because I brought my big camera with me to try and get some nice shots. And that was a waste of time and a waste of extra weight in my backpack. So it's currently the 1st of June, and this place is renowned for the bluebells. During May, the last time we came here was the end of April, so we were too early. So I would say, if you do want to visit this place, the best time would have been to come maybe 2 weeks ago, whatever day that would have been. And yes, we're currently walking back up the path that we just took, because I realised this is the exact same path that we took last time. Because I recognise the gate back there, so we're walking back up the way. Because I'd rather see what's up this end. Sophie, come on, let's go. She's doing her usual and not walking. I have just realised that bluebells are actually poisonous to dogs, which is not great. At least she's not eating them or trying to sniff them. It's a bit like tulips. I knew tulips were toxic, and I know people love to take their dog to these tulip fields, and a dog actually recently died having been at a tulip field or a tulip festival, so I'll never take her to one of those again. is 17 degrees, which is actually quite warm for Scotland at this time of year. But it's the sun that's really hot. So the wind is keeping it a bit cool, but then when the wind stops, it's really hot. We've come out of the Bluebell Woodland now, and we're just walking along this kind of fielded area. Lots of trees behind me. And there's some sheep over there. The path that we're walking is apparently the path to Court Hill. I'm not really sure what that is, or where it is. It just seems a bit bland. I prefer foresty routes. So we're going to head back and go into the forest that we're walking alongside, because there's actually a little path that goes up through the forest, which should be nice. Sophie, let's go this way. I think she wants to go that way. It's a bit boring. Lots of electricity poles, and I can hear dogs barking up that end. It's probably best that we don't go that way. This is more my kind of place. Nice forest. And it's not sunny in here, which is good. Still a bit windy though, so hopefully no trees land on us. She's eating shit, as usual. Come on, Sophie, leave it. Leave it. Ridiculous. I just heard the gate behind us close, and there's someone with 2 dogs coming up the path behind us, which is a bit annoying, because there isn't really anywhere else for us to go. So no doubt Sophie will kick off. Fuck, here they come. So we just went up some random little path. It was probably a deer path rather than where people walk, so we could get away from those dogs. There were 3 of them. Springer Spaniels, they're probably out hunting actually. Springer Spaniels hunt? Anyway, she got covered in ticks. Big ones as well, disgusting. I had to pull a few off her. The path that we were following before the dogs came, just back there. And it just leads into a dark forest. Didn't really want to go into a dark forest. Come on. Bit creepy. So I think we're just going to head in the opposite direction, as usual. Fuck's sake. Right, which way should we go? I don't know if these are deer paths. I feel like the forest ends up this direction. So we're going to keep walking up this way. No doubt we'll be walking back the way. There's so much deer shit on the ground. So it's definitely a deer path. I don't know, what does that look like? It looks like a path, but I don't think it's a human path. I think it's a deer path. So we're going to head back down to where the gate is. Told you. And see if there's another path that heads up the way. Because that will then be in the direction that we want to go in. And hopefully won't be covered in ticks. Sophie, leave it. She's eating deer shit. Come on. Oh, for fuck's sake, she's got a tick on her. Let me show you. Sweet. It's not actually a tick, it's just a piece of dirt. I found the path I was talking about. So I'm not talking complete shit. Let's go this way. This is a proper path. So we'll walk up here. Ugh. Fly right in my ear. starting to get a bit creepy in here. I keep hearing noises like trees creaking, and then I thought I saw a deer staring at me. It was a fallen down tree. I don't know why I always take myself to places that I get creeped out. So we made it out of the forest area, and it did lead to the bit that I thought it would lead to, but we ended up bumping into those 3 Springer Spaniels again. So that was fun.